The human body is electrical, and the food has to be electrical. You call that chemical affinity for assimilation or digestion.
Dr. Sebi says the body is electrical, when in turn that means it's alive. An alive body needs live food. We call that chemical affinity. Both burdock and sarsaparilla have an active ingredient called iron, which nourishes the blood. Sea moss has calcium, which nourishes the bones.
Back, but the information is mine. It's already coded in your DNA. The biomineral balance is a therapeutical approach that considers in addressing pathology on two levels. The intracellular chelation, meaning
big word.
We are going to clean not only the cells, we're not only going to clean the organ, but we're going to clean the cells that makes up the organ. The other part of the bio-mineral balance, beside the cleansing, is revitalizing the cells of the body that has been eroded by the presence of the disease that you so beautifully talk about, the mucus covering groups of cells.
All manifestations of disease finds its genesis when and where the mucous membrane has been compromised.
In removing the mucus, we have to have this group of cells to regenerate again. If they're in the lungs, we're talking about sulfur.
Sulfur plays an important role in your body's electron transport system as a part of an iron-sulfur molecular structure in the mitochondria.
If it's in the bones, we're talking about calcium.
When calcium intake is insufficient, the blood levels are maintained at the expense of bones and teeth.
Whenever I need to strengthen your bones, I go to a plant known as sea moss. Why? Because the active ingredient is calcium. When I want to nourish the blood, I go to the burdock, I go to the sarsaparilla, because their active ingredient is iron. If you have a simple cold, if you have any disease, I don't care what disease you have, you're anemic. Because if your iron was up to par, like I said, you would not be sick. Impossible.